Hello everybody and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this particular video, I'm going to tell you about that NEET application form for 2021 is available now, and you can fill the application form starting from 3 p.m. today. The official notice has come. I have been telling you in last couple of videos that it can come anytime soon. I had given the last date for NEET PG form was 22 Feb, but due to some technical reason, it got delayed further. But today early morning, next day early morning, they launched it after solving the technical issue. So let's see how you can proceed with the application form. So this is the official notification from NBE, that is National Board of Examination, New Delhi. The notice came on 23rd of Feb, that is today morning. An application form is invited for the National Eligibility NEET PG 2021, and this examination is a single entrance examination for admission to various MSMD and PG diploma courses as per section 61 of National Medical Commission, NMC Commission. National Board examination shall be conducted on 18th April. That was out long time back, and you need to visit this https://nb.edu.in, that is NET Board Education official website, and there you will find NEET PG 2021. I will show you live. The application will be available after 3 p.m. today, and you can do the filling of the application form starting from today 3 p.m. onwards to 15th of March. So you have approx 22 days of time. The information, you can see the important dates here. Availability of information bulletin is also there. You can download it from the website. Online submission of the application form you can do until 15th of March. I had told you already that you will be getting around about 20 days time to fill the application, and date of examination is 18th April 2021. Declaration result will be published by 31st of May. Okay, so let's visit now the official website and see. So you can visit nb.edu.in, and this is the website, Rashtriya Pariksha Board, and you can see there is another label that will come after 3 p.m. NEET PG 2021. You need to go there, and all the details, information bulletin, everything you can download. You will get the application form to fill. This is NEET PG of last year 2020. So it will be available like this. Click here to read the information bulletin. You can download in PDF format, user manual, image upload, all those things will be available starting from 3 p.m. Last year also it was available from 3 p.m. until they gave around duration of 20 days. This year they are giving, and you can see the new registration application login. After you do the new registration, click on new registration. They will ask you to enter your all the personal details like name, father's name, mother name, date of birth, email ID, phone number. After you complete the first process, then a unique application ID will be sent to your email address and phone number, and you can log in by going to application login using those credential. After you log in with your credential, then they will ask you to fill other details related to qualification, MBBS qualification, where you have passed from, which year you passed in, and if you have done from foreign universities, then the year, the country from which you passed, those details you need to fill in. 10th 12th certificate you need to have. They will ask the details regarding 10th 12th certificate, how much score you and the internship that you are doing or you have completed. They will ask you to enter the start date, end date. Okay, then the what you need to upload, you can see here, images upload instruction. So you can read the instruction, but you need to have all the 4 documents. First one, image, second one, left thumb impression, third one is your signature in cursive, not in capital, and the fourth one is MCI registration certificate that you get after complete your MBBS degree. These 4 documents mandatorily you have to upload. The photograph you need to have latest photograph. I need to have a date written on the photograph. okay, and it should not be older than 6 months from the date you are uploading. So these documents you need to have ready. So wait until 3 p.m. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask us. You can avail our paid services. The number is given in the description. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. And if you find any kind of issue in filling up the form, you need to be very careful. You don't ask anybody to fill the form on behalf of you. You don't go to cyber cafe or don't consult. Don't give the responsibility to fill the form to any counselor. You have to fill yourself, because it will ask your personal details, and if they had happened to or you have happened to forget your credentials or anything, then it may ask you 1 year. So fill it yourself. You have any doubt, you can ask us. We'll create further videos once it's available online. So until then, goodbye.